What if I told you that Saturn's iconic rings, one of the most breathtaking sights in our solar system, might completely vanish in the blink of a cosmic eye? Yes, you heard that right. Humanity may be living in the fleeting moment when these magnificent rings exist, and that's just the tip of the iceberg. Stick with me as we unveil the mysteries lurking within Saturn's stunning rings. I promise you won't look at them the same way by the end of this video. Saturn's rings are one of the solar system's ultimate showstoppers, a symphony of ice and dust spanning over 170,000 miles, yet only about 30 feet thick. Imagine a structure this vast but incredibly slim. The rings are made up of billions of icy particles ranging in size from tiny grains to massive chunks as big as a house. And while they create this seemingly continuous smooth band around Saturn, they're anything but solid. Think of them as a cosmic snowstorm frozen in place. But here's where things take a strange turn. For years, scientists assumed Saturn's rings formed alongside the planet itself over 4 billion years ago. But newer research paints a wildly different picture. These rings may be surprisingly young, perhaps only 100 million years old. That's practically yesterday on a cosmic time scale. It's quite possible that dinosaurs roamed Earth when Saturn first donned its glittering jewelry. But how could this be? One intriguing theory suggests that the rings were born from a cataclysmic event. At some point in Saturn's past, a moon or a series of moons may have ventured too close to the planet and crossed its Roche limit, the critical point where the tidal forces from Saturn tore the moons apart. Their shattered remains could have settled into orbit, giving rise to the iconic rings we admire today. Yet as mesmerizing as they are, Saturn's rings are disappearing. Yes, right now. NASA's Cassini spacecraft uncovered startling evidence of a phenomenon called ring rain. Tiny particles from the rings are constantly being pulled into Saturn's atmosphere by gravity and its magnetic field. This process strips the rings of material at an alarming rate, up to 10 tons per second. At this pace, scientists estimate the rings could be gone in just 100 million years. It might sound like a long time, but in the grand scheme of the universe, it's a mere heartbeat. And if you're thinking, well, at least we have them now, then get this. The rings are not just vanishing, they're alive with motion and mystery. For instance, Saturn's rings have strange spokes, faint, radial features that seem to appear and disappear over time. Scientists believe these spokes are caused by the complex interaction of charged particles with Saturn's magnetic field, but the full mechanics remain a puzzle. That's not all. Saturn's rings are also home to strange moonlets, tiny natural satellites embedded within the rings themselves. One of the most peculiar of these is a moonlet named Pan. Often compared to a ravioli or UFO, Pan isn't your average celestial body. Its unusual shape is likely the result of it sweeping up the icy material from the ring around it. Imagine a moon moonlighting as a cosmic vacuum cleaner. And speaking of moons, Saturn's rings have a profound connection to its larger moons as well. Take Enceladus, one of Saturn's most fascinating moons and a prime contender for hosting extraterrestrial life. Its icy surface hides a subsurface ocean, and geysers at its south pole eject water vapor and ice directly into space, contributing material to Saturn's E-ring. This delicate interplay between Saturn, its rings, and its moons paints a picture of a deeply interconnected system, a celestial dance we're only beginning to understand. So what can we learn from this fleeting masterpiece? Saturn's rings are not just an astronomical wonder. They're a vivid reminder of the dynamic forces shaping our solar system. These rings we gaze at through telescopes and spacecraft images won't last forever. They're part of a chapter in Saturn's story that is, in cosmic terms, remarkably brief. Studying them now gives us a rare glimpse into the forces of creation and destruction that govern our universe. And finally, here's the big reveal you've been waiting for. Why are Saturn's rings so bright compared to the dark moons and planets around it? The answer lies in their unique composition of icy particles. Unlike rocky moons, the rings reflect a lot of sunlight. But here's the catch. This brightness also makes them fragile. The very forces that produced their glittering appearance are the forces that are actively erasing them from existence. So the next time you look at Saturn, know that you're witnessing a rare and fleeting phenomenon, a cosmic work of art that may not endure forever. Saturn's rings are both a marvel and a mystery, constantly reminding us how little we truly know about the heavens above. What do you think about this disappearing wonder of our solar system? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Science Spark for more cosmic content that will blow your mind. This outstanding video was crafted by VidWiz. Want to make your own exciting videos for fun or profit? Click the link in the description to get started today.